Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2017 full-size Range Rover. This has just under 53,000 miles. It is an amazing car. Now I love this where this is right here. Normally this is a different color. I actually like how this one's body color. It gives it a little different because usually there's something contrasting it. It does have proximity entry, which is wonderful. Now out back here, one thing that I love about it is there is plenty of storage. And the really cool thing is you can control the seats from right here. So you don't have to go up and control everything, which makes your job a lot easier when you're trying to load things in. Now naturally it does have a power liftgate, which is always a plus. Now out back, I love this vehicle because it has heated and cooled rear seats. Now you can also control the climate, which is always a plus for your passengers. Now up front on both the driver and passenger doors, you do have this little storage area here, which is nice. You have your memory seats, blind spot, lane keep assist. It has heated and ventilated front seats, panoramic sunroof, heated windshield. This thing is fully loaded. I want to thank you for your time for watching this video. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any others that we have on the lot, please feel free to give us a call and ask for me. My name is Jordan, or come into our showroom. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.